YouTubies. We're going. We're going to 7 Bridges. Subscribe. That's how they do it on 1,000 Pound Sisters. They say, "What's up, YouTubies?" It's my POV today.
Don't mind. I want to take your sunglasses off.
Alright, there we go. Yeah, you can finally see the road, huh? Look at that 360 view.
It's wild. Now we're gonna watch your POV as I make a sketchy lane change here.
What's new?
Yeah, what is new?
Although your head must be bigger than mine, because it like wants to fall down like that. Like, hold it up.
It's okay. I did it real late when I should not have, but the Nissan did it later, so we're good.
I didn't see it.
The sketchy lane change?
Yeah.
Okay.
This hat is so big.
You can adjust it if you have to.
I'm gonna have to. Hold on a second. The camera is too heavy for the hat.
That is kind of true.
I can't. Never mind, we're done. I'm done here.
A little coffee. All right, so we just got some coffee. Now we're heading out.
Look at my little koozie.
It's very cute.
It fits perfectly.
And when did you make it?
I made it yesterday. No, I didn't. I made it the day before.
South.
Anyway, so you made that like 2 days ago?
I did, yeah.
It's adorable.
It is enormous.
Very well done.
Thank you.
And what's special about the yarn?
It's a little thicker, so it's more like water resistant. I feel like the ones that are too soft, like the water just like seeps through it and it gets wet, but this is like a good solid yarn.
Yeah, and it's cotton too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, not acrylic or anything.
Nope. One of the best for my coffees.
We're going to Grant Park. We're still in Milwaukee, but this is going to be pretty close to Lake Michigan. Thanks for joining us. YouTubies. Yappers and cruisers. Let me know in the comments if you're a yapper or a cruiser. We're going to start a civil war.
In a quarter mile,
I'm a
turn right
cruiser.
on the South Lake
You're a
Drive.
cruiser.
You will arrive at your destination.
I think you'd be surprised how much of an impact you've had on those kids. You ruined all of them. I'm just kidding. How's your coffee?
It's good. It's really sweet, but it's good.
Too sweet? So this is Grant Park. Anyway, let's go. I feel like I'm gonna roll an ankle going down this thing.
Why don't you go down?
It's a long way to go by myself.
I don't want to go.
I highly encourage you to go. So we found a place where we could have a little bit of a flatter walk over to the beach. And they have, over to our left, there's an actually really nice beach that goes a little ways. And then we have like a marina on this side. You can see some industrial buildings over that way. And there's this nice pier. So it's pretty cool. What do you think, Julia?
It's weird you find so many beaches in Milwaukee.
Yeah, I mean, we were just at the ocean, but we could have come here to swim. Yeah, we didn't bring our swimsuits, so we won't be swimming today, though.
Goodbye. So hot.
Yeah, I don't think we displayed all that Grant Park has to offer.
So sorry.
But we'll catch you on the next in the next one.
Next year.
Yep.